Do you feel the vibes? Hello guys, today we're going to be looking at the P250 on Critical Ops. Stay tuned and see the review. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you all the kills that you can get with this kind of gun, and just basically review the gun. Okay, if you want to use this gun for long range distant kills, it's good, but not the best. But you got to control the recoil a little bit more. This is the kind of gun that you'd use to flank people, round corners and just jump shot and that kind of thing, just to get an upper hand in the gunfight really. This gun shouldn't really be underestimated, but it's best in close contact, gunfights. By no means though, the long range shot of this gun shouldn't be underestimated either.
X-Men Rampage!
It's not best gun on the game, but trust me, don't underestimate it. I did a little bit here, but that's what happened. But if you're a player that takes sensitivity serious, then definitely use it on a low sensitivity. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.